workers are given PCR tests at work by Amazon. February 12, workers told by Amazon that they tested negative.
Amazon sends test data to NHS Test and Trace.
February 13 to 3,853 received Test and Trace app notifications urging them to self-isolate.
Concerned workers phone NHS hotline.
February 13, evening, app says positives were due to a system error and they actually tested negative.
Nearly 4,000 Amazon workers were wrongly told they had COVID by the NHS Test and Trace service in the latest bungle for the world-beating system. The retailer uses PCR tests on staff at work as part of its own private scheme before sending the data to NHS Test and Trace.
Thousands of employees were tested at work and on February 12, told they had tested negative by Amazon.
However, after firms shared the data with the NHS, 3,853 workers received notifications on their Test and Trace apps on February 13 saying they had tested positive and had to self-isolate.
This sparked thousands of worried calls to the NHS hotline from employees querying why their results had apparently changed.
Later that evening, the workers then received a new notification from their NHS apps confirming they had actually tested negative and blaming what happened on a system error.
Mail Online has asked the Department of Health to explain what caused the error.
Amazon has also been asked by Mail Online why it shared private staff data with Test and Trace but is yet to receive a response.
One call center employee, working for a private company on behalf of the NHS, said thousands of confused staff had got in touch querying their results. The staff member, who asked to stay anonymous, said their team alone received 500 calls from worried Amazon staff on Saturday. It's not only affected their staff, but the families and households of their staff as well, they told the BBC.
Partners and children of Amazon staff who were added as contacts told bosses they had to isolate and have lost income. Boris Johnson has repeatedly described the government's testing program as world-beating, but it has been plagued by problems, including missing positive cases.
No staff who tested positive for COVID at Amazon were told they tested negative, it is understood.